Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you all here. Are you ready for the first day of school? It's a big day, and I know it can be a mix of excitement and nerves. I know, summer flew by. It feels like just yesterday we were soaking up the sun. One minute you're at the beach building sandcastles, enjoying the waves and the sun. The next you're dusting off your backpack, getting your school supplies in order, and preparing for a new adventure. But hey, let's make this the best school year yet, right? We're talking epic lunches, acing those pop quizzes, and making new friends. And maybe, just maybe, avoiding any first day of school mishaps. It's all part of the fun. Stick with me, because I've got your back-to-school survival guide, Soistoc style. We'll cover everything you need to know to make this year amazing. Alright, first things first. We gotta look the part. Your outfit can make or break your confidence. No one wants to be scrambling for clothes on the first day, right? It's stressful and can throw off your whole morning. So the night before, channel your inner fashionista and pick out your coolest outfit. Think about what makes you feel comfortable and stylish. We're talking jeans, that awesome graphic tee you've been saving. Maybe even a hat if you're feeling bold. Accessories can add that extra flair. Lay it all out on your bed. Smooth out those wrinkles. Bam! You'll save time and avoid any last-minute panic. You're a first-day fashion icon. Trust me, it sets the tone for the whole day. When you look good, you feel good, and that confidence will shine through. Okay, outfit set. Now let's talk backpack game. This is where preparation meets excitement. This is where the magic happens, people. Your backpack is your survival kit for the day. We're talking notebooks, pens, pencils, the whole shebang. Everything you need to conquer the school day. Make sure you've got all the essentials, and I mean everything. Double check that checklist, folks. You don't want to be that kid asking for a pen 5 minutes into homeroom. Trust me, it's not a good look. Oh, and don't forget the hand sanitizer. It's a must-have in today's world. Gotta keep those germs at bay. A little squirt goes a long way. Now zip up that backpack, feeling prepared? I thought so. Walk into school with confidence, knowing you're ready for anything. All right, breakfast time. This is the most important meal of the day, my friends. We're not talking sugary cereal here. Think whole grain toast with avocado, a smoothie packed with fruits and veggies, or maybe some scrambled eggs. Trust me, a healthy breakfast will give you the energy you need to power through those morning classes. Plus, it'll help you resist the temptation of the vending machine later. You got this. Chapter 4. Rise and Shine. Alarm clock going off? Don't hit that snooze button. I know it's tempting. But trust me, getting up on time will make your morning so much smoother. You'll have time for a good breakfast, you won't feel rushed, and you'll actually be awake for that first period class. Plus, who wants to start the day stressed about being late? Not us. Chapter 5. Lunchbox Legends. Okay, lunchtime. Let's face it, school lunches aren't always the most appetizing. That's why packing your own lunch is where it's at. Get creative, people. Sandwiches, salads, leftovers from last night's dinner. The possibilities are endless. And don't forget a little something sweet to treat yourself. A cookie, a piece of fruit, maybe even a little note from mom or dad. It's all about those little touches. Chapter 6. Double check, double awesome. All right, almost out the door. But before you grab your skateboard or hop on the bus, let's do a quick double check. Do you have your backpack? Check. Lunchbox? Check. Schedule? Check. Okay, now we're talking. Feeling prepared? I thought so. There's nothing like that feeling of knowing you've got everything under control. Chapter 7. Rock your first day. You made it. You're ready to conquer the first day of school. Walk in there with your head held high, a smile on your face, and that awesome energy only you have. Remember, everyone's a little nervous on the first day, but you've got this. Now go out there and make it a day to remember. High fives all around. Outro. You got this. So there you have it, my friends. My top tips for surviving, nay rocking the first day of school. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way. So lay out those clothes, pack that backpack, and get ready for an awesome year. Now go out there and be your amazing selves. Class dismissed.